Understanding mutual funds is crucial. Whether you started with little knowledge or thorough research, keep learning. Generic advice from friends or forums may not fit your financial situation. Being knowledgeable aids your wealth creation journey. DIY investors often seek advice from multiple sources, leading to confusion. Stick to a trusted source or a few reliable advisors. Different experts have different perspectives. Find a source you trust to avoid information overload. Every financial decision has costs. Selling equity mutual funds within a year incurs a 15% short-term capital gains tax. Selling debt funds before 3 years adds gains to your income and taxes them accordingly. Consider these factors before acting. Managing investments is commendable, but don't hesitate to seek professional help if overwhelmed. Many DIY investors manage well, but consulting a financial advisor can provide clarity. Ask for recommendations and understand their charges for smoother investment journeys. Hiring help doesn't mean stopping your learning. Continuous education protects your investments. Stay updated and track your investments to maximize wealth. Even successful investors never stop learning. Keep educating yourself to perfect mutual fund investing.